Do you know how to compare two things in English? Today we will learn comparative adjectives. For short adjectives, we usually add er and use than. For example, small, smaller, tall, taller, fast, faster. We use comparative adjectives when we use compare two things. For example, this apple is big. This apple is bigger. The kitten is smaller than the cat. Big is taller than Ali. This pencil is shorter than that pencil. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. Sarah is younger than Amina. If the adjective adds y, we change y to I. And we add er. For example, she's happier today. That question is easier than this question. That bag is heavier than this bag. That tea is hotter than this tea. Be careful, for some short adjectives we double the last letter and add er. For example, big, bigger, hot, hotter. Long adjectives we use more before this adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, interesting, more interesting, important, more important. That book is more interesting than this book. Studying is more important than playing games. Remember once more, for long adjectives, two or more syllables we use more before the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, expensive, more expensive, interesting, more interesting. And there are irregular comparative adjectives in English. Some adjectives have irregular comparative form. For example, good, better, bad, worse, many, much, more, little, less, far, farther, further, old, older, elder. And remember, both farther and further are correct. In order to learn more interesting and useful lessons, please subscribe to my channel.